Welcome to this new tutorial. This time we're going to learn the Meltdown. In the following of our precedent tutorial where we explained the mobility with spinning, now we can do this trick, which is very cool. Let's get right into it. First, we're going to go through all of the position of our last tutorial, but now without moving the body, the boy is going around instead. Here we are practicing going from the position 0 to the position 2, and of course here we want to go back and forth without stopping. That first step may seem easy, but careful. A common mistake is to do the movement with your index pointing up. Make sure your index is always pointing down. The wrist is doing the entire movement, your elbow isn't moving. Overall, the main movement is with the wrists. Make sure to practice this drill with both hands and, of course, both directions. Next step, now we're going to work on the transition from position 2 to position 4. On that position, it's really just about loosening the grip as much as possible, getting your wrist involved, and also keeping your index pointing up. Next, we're going to combine everything together and work our way through 0 to 4. Once you arrive in the 4th position, you just go back step by step all the way to 0 and repeat the process. At first, you can stay for as many beats as you want in each position, but try to step by step minimize the amount of beats in each position. Last step, 0, 4. We skip the beats on position 2 and we go straight to 4. We are still using position 2, but it's only used as a down beat. We are only going down into it and then going up into the position 4. And this is half of our meltdown. Next, make sure to practice the other hand, again and again, other hand and both direction, super important. We now technically have both halves of our meltdown because each hand does the same thing in the same direction. But now let's get it together with two poi. Make sure your poi are spinning in split time, same direction. You can also practice with same time at first if that makes it easier for you. Here it is really all of the position that we saw in the last tutorial, just without moving your body, the poi are doing the work. Once all of those steps are understood, you're all set to go for the full meltdown, just going from -1 to position 3 without stopping in position 0 or 2. To keep everything in control and clean, it is very helpful to keep your hands as close from your body as possible. If you get confused whilst practicing, make sure to work just on the hand path without the poi spinning. One last time, here are all of the positions to make sure that we understood all the motions of the wrist properly. Then going from position -1 into position 3, taking a break on each side. And a continuous motion. And that's it for the meltdown. If you feel like this trick is difficult for you, just take your time, go through each step and take the time you need. Last bonus for those that nailed the trick right away and want something a bit more difficult, the opposite meltdown. It is exactly the same pathway, just the boys are spinning in opposite direction. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.